Hi, welcome to Southern Springs by Webb here in beautiful Spring Hill, Tennessee. My name is Keith Davis, and I'm one of the sales consultants here.
And my name's AJ Hastings, and we look forward to giving you a tour of our brand new clubhouse and amenities. Come check out the fun.
Welcome to the Lodge at Southern Springs by Webb. Our brand new building is around 18,000 square feet, and this is where we have all the fun.
So the building includes various areas like indoor and outdoor pools, fitness centers, ballrooms, and common areas for clubs to meet. The community so far is socially very active, including clubs like Garden Society, various lunch and learns, game and card players, as well as book clubs and Bible studies. Let's take a look. So here in the lodge is where many of our social activities take place. We have a community lounge room up front where people can hold a book club or just relax, a meeting room where social activity committee or various other committees can meet to discuss information, as well as the card and game playing room here. Many of our card and game playing clubs have been the largest since our community opened, and they're really happy to have a dedicated space just for that activity. And then we also have this ballroom.
Yes, here we are standing in one of our two adjoining ballrooms. This is where the community gathers for larger functions. Events such as Super Bowl viewing parties, Halloween dance party, or ringing in the new year. Or let's say it's a meet your neighbor potluck dinner. You can prepare the food in your brand new home and then use our warming kitchen next door so that we can always serve our hot food and have cool drinks ready.
So this is our fitness center. When we opened this building, we reached out to several other Webbs and asked what type of equipment their homeowners enjoyed using. And we came up with a mix of cardio equipment, mechanized weights, and free weights. Upon moving in, you do have the option to meet with a trainer for about an hour to learn how to use all the different equipment, and then come in here and use it at your own leisure throughout the day. Right next to our fitness center and our yoga studios are our men's and women's locker rooms. They're open throughout the day so that if you choose, you can shower here on site rather than go back home. We do have lockers to store your goods and belongings, a couple restrooms, as well as some showers on site. So after you work up a sweat in the gym, or maybe work up a sweat doing yoga or dance, you're welcome to come use these facilities.
And here we are at the indoor pool, conveniently open year-round. As you can see, we have zero entrance into the pool, and there'll be hours posted as to when the water aerobics club meets, or when the grandchildren can enjoy the fun.
Have you ever played pickleball before? Now could be the time to learn. Southern Springs features 8 full-size pickleball courts, in addition to 4 full-size tennis courts. Come play.
Our outdoor pool is spectacular. There's 2 separate areas, one that is zero entry that you can walk right in for leisure activities and hanging out. Beyond AJ here, there's some benches built into the pool where people can gather and socialize. The other end is an outdoor section for laps. People utilize it for water aerobics, they also swim laps, and other exercise activities. This outdoor area also includes tables and chairs, as well as shade, a hot tub, and a pool house. Let's check it out. The great thing about Middle Tennessee is that we have 4 seasons, so our outdoor pool house can get used just about year round. We do have some outdoor grills here where people can gather, grill food, and have family functions. Behind us we have a fire pit that has a gas start and a timer, so you can hang out there after your meal, and there's also restrooms that you can utilize after hanging out at the pool or eating your dinner. What better way to end our tour than on our outdoor event lawn? This is a large space that we use for community gatherings such as 4th of July events, outdoor movies, as well as outdoor concert series. We appreciate you coming to take the time today to see what Southern Springs by Webb has to offer.
We hope to see y'all real soon.